Welcome to Wheezing the Juice. No wheezing the juice.
I've had my ups and downs, my fair share of bumpy roads and heavy winds. That's what made me what I am today. Now I stand here before you. What you see is a body crafted to perfection, a pair of legs engineered to defy the laws of physics, and a mindset to master the most epic of splits.
Who can say where the road goes, where the day flows? Only time. And who can say if your love grows as your heart shows? Only time.
Some says that ever again that season comes, when our Saviour's birth is celebrated. The bird of dawning singeth all night long, and then they say, no spirit can walk abroad. The nights are wholesome, then no planets strike, no fairy takes, no witch had power to charm. So hallowed, and so gracious is the time. So I brought you that.
Can say where the road goes, where the day flows, only time.
Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed. Bye bye, buddy.